Good evening, friends, and I welcome you back to the channel this evening. I do hope we are having fun. I welcome all of us. So, today we're going to continue in our discussion on nutrition. Now, what is nutrition? Like in the earlier videos that we've already discussed, I said that nutrition is the process through which the body is able to, either create nutrients that it can feed on or source for those nutrients and feed on them in such a way that it is able to sustain and maintain all its life processes by nutrition. And I've said that nutrition is very important. Any organism that does not continue to engage in nutrition, that organism is not going to be able to sustain life. Now, we're talking about the classes of food in human nutrition, and we've already talked about carbohydrates. So, we'll continue to talk about all the other classes of food and how they are useful to help humans, maintain life and all life processes. Now, we'll look at proteins. Proteins are very important. They can be sourced from milk, meat, fish, and eggs, and they are usually made, the macromolecules are called proteins, and they are made from smaller micro molecules that we refer to as amino acids. Now, these amino acids are important, and the constituents of these amino acids are carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen. Sometimes we have oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur as minute elements present in our proteins. Now, proteins are very important. They help for body repair, bodybuilding. They help aid in reproduction. They're a key constituent of a lot of body fluids, and they also help even when you come to the cellular level. You can see a lot of amino acids and proteins being used as enzymes and as many other constituents of the cell, helping the cell to run all its various and different biochemical processes. This makes proteins very important for humans. Now, when you leave the issue of proteins, we can continue also to talk about minerals and vitamins. Minerals and vitamins are also important. When you look at minerals, we have a lot. You have sodium, iodine, phosphorus, sulfur, you know, nutrients that are needed in trace amounts, and they help the body, they help to maintain osmotic balance in the body. They help to maintain different processes within the body. We also have the vitamins. The vitamins are also needed. They're also nutrients that are needed in little quantity, and they are needed in this quantity to help to aid the different processes that occur in the body. When it comes to vitamins, we have vitamin A, D, E, and K. A, D, and K are what we refer to as the fat soluble vitamins, and then we also have vitamins B and C, which we say are the water soluble vitamins. So this is important to note. We also have fats and oils. Fat and oils are important components of the classes of food. And when you talk about fats and oils, you know that fats exist in solid state at room temperature, while oils exist as liquids even at room temperature. And they are also important. They help to give energy. They help to give strength to different organisms, to the human, sorry. And this is important to note. We can source for our fats and oils from margarine, Bonvita, cheese. All these give us sources for our fats and oils, and our fats and oils are important. Also, water is one of the classes of food that is important, and water is there, to help to maintain osmotic balance within the body, to help to aid in the process of digestion, to help to aid peristaltic movement so that the bowels can move well enough, aiding in the process of digestion. So that makes water also an important process. We also have roughages. Roughages can be found in our vegetables, fruits, and grains. They are these substances that help, in bowel movement. They help to give weight to the chyme and the substances that are moving from the stomach, digested from the stomach to all the other parts of the body. So roughages are important for the body to continue to function at optimal condition. So this is important. Now we'll close this class on nutrition by talking about a balanced diet. What's a balanced diet? A balanced diet is when you have the right proportions of all these 6 classes of food in a way that nourishes the body, in a way that provides optimum nourishment for the body. This is what you call a balanced diet. So when you have carbohydrates, proteins, fats and oils, roughages, minerals, vitamins, and water in the right proportion at the right time, fed, brought together and used to feed a human being. That's what we refer to as a balanced diet. So we'll still do another video where we'll talk about the vitamins. I want to talk about all the vitamins from A, D, E, K, B, and C, and what they do for the body. Thank you for listening to this video and do have a wonderful day.